Okay, day two of our e-learning here. We are moving on, chapter 4, section 7. Last section in the chapter, which means we've got a quiz coming up. Today's Wednesday, review Thursday, quiz probably on Friday, over the last three lessons, which is no different than what we did in the first half of the chapter, solving equations. We're just solving inequalities. The only new thing we learned Monday while we were at school, if you multiply or divide by a negative, you flip the inequality, okay? But today is a two-step inequality. So step one, you always undo addition or subtraction. So x is being multiplied by 5 and you're subtracting the 4. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the 4 first. Add 4, add 4. Okay, this goes to 0, still have the 5x. And the other side, the right side, is equal to 15. Now, instead of multiplying x by 5, you're going to do the opposite. You're going to divide by 5. And you do not flip the inequality because you divided by a positive number and you get x is greater than or equal to 3. So any number you put in here for x that is 3 or larger will make the inequality true, which means closed circle at 3, arrow going to the right. Okay? Another one. Well, I'll try to keep this pretty short here. And I'll shorten your homework up a little bit. Yesterday seemed to be a little bit long for a few of you. So draw the inequality or draw the highway. B divided by -3, so we don't get rid of that first. We get rid of the add 4. Okay, so instead of adding 4, we're going to subtract 4 from each side. The 4's go away. This side equals 9. Instead of dividing by -3, you're going to multiply both sides by -3. Okay, and the inequality flipped because we multiplied or divided by a negative. So instead of a less than, it became a greater than. So B is any number that is greater than, not shaded in, not equal to, -27. So it'll be an open circle pointing to the right. They're giving you an example like -15 works, -6, any number. Not -27 because it's not shaded in, but any number to the right of -27 works. Okay. Now, we got something that looks a little different here. They're giving you a graph and they're asking you which one works. Okay. So the easiest thing to do is just write it down, the problem. That section that we did before we took the iLearn. You're going to take that 7 and you're going to distribute it to both the x and to the 3. Okay, so that'll give you -7x. -7 times 3 is -21. So move the 21 first, add 21 to both sides. It gives you 49 and -7x. So we've got a negative being multiplied, so we're going to divide by a -7. That flips the sign. And x is any number that's greater than or equal to -7. Okay, so you come up here and you find the one that is, and it told us that's B. Okay, closed circle, arrows pointing to the right, arrows pointing to the right, closed circle because it's equal to. Last one. Okay, football team orders the sweatshirts shown. The price per sweatshirt decreases by 5 cents for each sweatshirt that is ordered. How many sweatshirts should the team order for the price per sweatshirt to be no greater than? If it is no greater than, okay, that means it's not that, it's the opposite. It is less than or equal to. Okay, so the original price over here on the sweatshirt's $40. Okay, that would be the base price. We're saving 5 cents per sweatshirt, and we want it to be no greater than, which means it's going to be less than or equal to the $32.50 that I've covered up. There it is again. Okay, so number of sweatshirts that you got to order: $40 price per shirt. You save 5 cents off of every shirt that you order, and it increases by 5 cents. So the first shirt saves you 5 cents. The second shirt will save you 10 cents. The third shirt 15, so on and so forth. And we want to be at or under $32.50. Okay, so we'll clean that up a little bit. Just put the 0.5 and the end together. So that's a positive 40, even though it's out front. So we're going to subtract 40, get -750. So saving 5 cents per shirt, when will it be $7.50? So divide by -0.05 flips the inequality again, and you need to order at least 150 shirts or more. Okay? All right, so there's a real quick lesson for you guys. I'll make up some homework. The lesson yesterday, you really didn't have to watch it because we did it. So this will take up, by the time you find it in that, this will take up probably, I don't see a timer here, but by the time you log in that 10 minutes of it. So I'll keep the homework a little bit shorter and I'll give you a homework help video. So see you guys. Good luck.